Let me show you how to make these super cute stockings, all from a panel that we just got in from Northcott. Now, this panel is called Extreme Santa Stockings, and you're getting 2 stockings per panel. And I've got it loaded on my long arm right here for me to do some quilting on. I've got it loaded with Linda's Choice batting, and this batting is exclusive to our store, and it's wonderful for things that you're going to want to hang, like these stockings. It's going to give it great definition and help it hang nice and straight. Now, I'm going ahead and I'm basting around the entire panel because the majority of it fits in my throat space, so I want to go ahead and get that all basted down. I'm going to use this West Wind Winter pattern from Christy Dillon of My Creative Stitches, and I'm going to do an edge to edge over the whole entire thing just to keep consistency. You could do individual stocking quilting. I just thought it'd be easier to do the whole thing. Now, once the quilting is done, I'm going to take it off the frame and take it over to the cutting table, and I'm going to use a rotary cutter, or you can use fabric scissors and cut around the outlines. It's going to end up looking something like this with the 2 pieces. Now, little bonus here is I took a excess piece of fabric and I cut it into 2 strips since you have 2 stockings. I did a 5" by 1.5" strip, and I'm just folding these together, these right sides together, and I'm gonna do a nice little finger press and then hit it with an iron just to flatten it out nicely. And then I took it over to the sewing machine and did a little zigzag stitch on it. I forgot to record that, but just so it could hang together like you'll see right here. Now I'm gonna place that on the inside of these 2 pieces, put those stockings right sides together, and take my corsage pins and just pin around the whole entire thing. Because this is a little thicker, it could shift a little easier when you're doing your sewing around the outside. So pinning it down helps it keep it nice and flat. You may have to give it a little stretch here and there to get the edges to meet up, but that's okay. You just want to get everything nice pinned all the way around the entire thing. Then you're going to head over to your sewing machine. If you have a 1/4" foot, you can use that. If not, you're going to do a 1/4" stitch all the way around the outside of this stocking, pulling those pins out as you go. And I'm just whipping around this real quick. Once you're done, you're gonna pull that stocking inside out. Give yourself a little bit of time doing it. It takes some because it is thick because of all that batting, but it turns out looking super cute. Now, you do have some raw edges on the outside. If you have a serger, just hit it with a serger all the way around. If not, you can just turn it in a little bit like I'm doing. I'm totally guessing this, and I'm just doing a stitch all the way around this to have a nice finished edge on this stocking. So